Make a great choice today with
The 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.